Hey YouTube, it's been a while. Whew. How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time and it's been a while, but a lot's happened since I last posted it. We got a new president, the Dodgers won the World Series, and I also welcomed a new baby boy to the world. Well, not me, but my partner did. But I had a baby. Life's been taking over and YouTube and the Kona had to take a back seat. Been rocking this Odyssey here. I don't know if you can see it, but been living the minivan life for a little bit. Today we're gonna change that and show you what I've been working on. So let's get into it. As you saw from the thumbnail, going to be installing these custom clear reflectors that I made. So it's been a whole process, 3 months, and finally developed something that I think I can fit on the car. It's a little janky still, but you know, work in progress. But sorry, it's gonna be so annoying. Let me wrap this up. I do wanna eventually look to sell these if this is something that people are interested in. And I'm going to show you the process of how I made this in some montage clips. It might be a little rough because I shot it with my iPhone, but I do wanna show the process of how I made this. So here's how these eventually got made. Let's check it out. So that was sort of how I made these clear reflectors. I hope you enjoyed that montage. Ugh, excuse me, I've been fighting this cold. Now, let's see if we can install this on the Kona. Here's the car. It's super dusty. Haven't been driving it with the baby. Been having to live the minivan life. But in order to install the clear reflectors, you have to take off the bumper. Here's the OEM one, and here's the ones that we're looking to install. Go do the other side. Alright, instead of taking the whole bumper off, there you go, just pull it back and unscrew these. That's where the reflector sits, as you can see. So let's take the OEM one off. This bottom thing here, a little tricky because of the brake duct, but got it. But here's the OEM one. Let's look to swap the driver's side now. I've taken this bumper on and off so many times. Fitment is atrocious. I gotta fix it somehow, take it to a body shop one of these days. But there is the clear. Like always, I need to give the car a wash, so I'm just gonna wrap it up, and here's how the clear reflectors are looking. This is a pretty sweet shot here.